Why did the Cold War boost consumerism? In the next 3 minutes, you'll see the answer. Meet Lena, a curious historian who loves vintage ads. She'll follow the trail from American factories to living rooms worldwide, showing how rivalry turned shopping into a weapon of freedom. Stay with me. Lena flips through a 1920s ad and sees a sleek radio glowing beside a smiling family, a symbol of new technology. The piece notes that new communication tech and cheap mass production sparked a sudden hunger for gadgets. Americans suddenly wanted more than food. They craved the latest gizmo. This surge set the stage for a competition that would soon become global. Fast forward to the late 1940s. Lena reads a newspaper headline bragging about booming factories and record wages. Jobs are everywhere, and families can finally afford a car, a television, even a refrigerator. The flood of disposable income turns homes into showrooms for American innovation. But why did the government step in to make these luxuries cheap? Lena discovers a memo and a government check that offers subsidies on appliances for young couples. The policy slashes prices on TVs and refrigerators, turning them from elite toys into household staples. Suddenly, a middle-class kitchen looks like a showroom. This state-backed push fuels a consumer wave that the US would soon weaponize. Lena watches a massive cargo ship off the coast, its deck piled with televisions and refrigerators. The State Department labels each box "Freedom in a Box" and ships them to allies worldwide. Every living room screen becomes a silent ambassador, showing that capitalism can deliver comfort. But why would a simple fridge become a weapon? Lena steps into a cramped Soviet apartment and sees a rusted refrigerator next to a broken toaster. The contrast is stark. American families enjoy sleek, reliable appliances, while Soviet shelves hold cheap, unreliable models. This quality gap becomes a daily reminder that the planned economy can't deliver the same comfort. How did this perception become a lever for the United States? Lena realizes the flood of American goods created factories, jobs, and higher wages, fueling a surge in spending power among young adults. That prosperity turned consumerism into a strategic weapon, eroding Soviet prestige and helping to end the Cold War. So the rivalry didn't just boost buying, it reshaped the world. What made this economic surge so decisive? Why did the Cold War boost consumerism? We saw 1920s tech spark a race, post-war prosperity flood the market, federal subsidies make TVs cheap. The US shipped those TVs abroad as diplomatic weapons, and Soviet shoddy appliances expose a quality gap. The rivalry turned everyday buying into a battle for freedom. That's why the Cold War boosted consumerism. That's the whole story at a glance. Now you know, draw me the world.